Because I like this 70mm 4K T800 dash cam so much, I have decided to maximize the protection of my vehicle right here. I'm going to protect this old Mercedes on the street, in the parking lot, basically anytime I'm not driving it. I've already told you about the world's first dash camera to incorporate 3-channel recording and true 4K video on the front and rear camera. And I've already told you how much I like the 1080p inside camera for recording what happens inside the vehicle. And I've already bragged on the Starvis 2 sensors on the front and rear cameras that provide stunning detail in any lighting situation. So today I want to tell you how you can protect your vehicle even when you're not driving it. This is the 70mm dash cam battery pack, and it provides power to your dash camera even when the vehicle isn't on. In fact, when your vehicle is parked, this provides uninterrupted surveillance and it safeguards your battery. Here's what you get in the box right here. I love the box. It's actually really pretty. You have a user manual. This is like a quick install right here for you. You get the notes that you need. This is the actual unit itself. It is heavy. It is well built. I'll tell you how it monitors itself and your vehicle. This is a 96 watt-hour unit right here, so I'll tell you how long that will power your dash camera. You also get all kinds of cords and everything. This is a cord. It's the hardwire kit right here. This will go up into the engine bay itself, where you will use one of these fuse connectors right here, depending on the type of vehicle. This goes right into your fuse box, it connects, and it's going to power the unit. You have a super long Type-C cable right here. You have some more things that you are going to use to hardwire this up into your actual dash camera and everything. You get extra fuses here. You get a cable tie right here, and these are 2 little strips depending on wherever you want to mount your unit. You can put it in the glove box, you can put it under the seat, lots of different places, but these will help you keep this thing nice and still so it doesn't rattle, doesn't make a sound. Something else you can get right here, this is one of the 2 ways you can actually wire it. This goes right into your cigarette lighter, your power point. This cable will run down to the actual battery pack itself. This is the easiest way to install this, but it does take a little bit longer to charge the battery pack itself. If you go hardwire, it's much quicker. I'll tell you more in just a minute. Here's where I've decided to put my battery pack right here. This is an old holder for your owner's manual or perhaps maps. Remember those paper maps? Yeah, back in the day, that's how you used to get around. Anyway, this is a perfect spot for my battery pack right here. Okay, it is close by. I can turn it on with the on button right here, which is really cool. Now the battery pack will power a 3-watt dash cam for 30 hours and a 2-watt dash cam for 45 hours. So when you get in and drive somewhere, the vehicle recharges the battery pack, so you can do this over and over again. There are 2 ways to plug this into your vehicle. The easiest is actually the cigarette lighter, which is right here. So all you have to do is plug this into your cigarette lighter and then run the cord right here to your battery pack. All right. If you do it this way, it's going to take you 90 minutes to fully charge the battery pack. You can also do it the hardwire way, which means you go right into your fuse box. That's what I've done, and I'll show you that in just a second. But that way, it's going to take only 60 minutes to fully charge your battery pack. This is my fuse box. These are all the different size fuses that they give you, whether it's a mini fuse, a weird fuse, a medium fuse, like a BMW type fuse right here. These are normal fuses, so they had one that fit right in here. I had an open slot, so I did have this wired right here. This is for an accessory, so I have wrapped this accessory cord around that. And then there is a grounding point right here, just this little screw. I have the ground wire attached to that, and then I'm going to run this eventually through the dash and into the cabin where it will attached to the battery pack. There are a couple of other places that you could actually put your battery pack. One of them is under the seat. I have a little protective barrier right here, so this probably would not work for me. Another place that a lot of people put them is right here in your glove box. Okay, you have access and you can run wires right through here. Plus it's closer to your firewall, so that might be a good option for some folks. And then of course they give you that Velcro tape to keep it into place. Either way, it's going to be out of the way. But for me right here, this is just going to be perfect. I can hide it right there, and it's going to look great. It's not going to move. and it's going to be just fantastic. All right, so now let's go and show you how this actually works. We're going to go to a parking lot and I'll show you how this protects your vehicle. Now, this battery pack automatically adjusts the charging based on what method is used to prevent battery depletion, and it doesn't start accepting a charge from the vehicle until 20 seconds after a start to reduce battery strain, which is especially useful in cold weather or if your vehicle battery is getting old. Plus, the battery management system protects against temperature extremes, over discharge, short circuits, overcharging, and overloads. The system ensures safety and a longer battery life. The battery pack and hardwire kit offers extra protection like AI motion detection. Powered by the latest self-developed AI algorithm, the T800 dash cam can detect people lingering near the car. Now, once the front camera identifies someone suspicious nearby, it will automatically activate all 3 channels to simultaneously start recording for 30 seconds. There's collision detection as well in parking mode. The T800's G sensor instantly activates all 3 channels upon collision detection. It records a 30-second video simultaneously from the front, rear, and interior. You'll have comprehensive, detailed footage from all angles, providing stronger evidence for insurance claims and law enforcement, and ensuring enhanced vehicle protection even when you're away. And time-lapse recording. The dashcam captures continuous footage at 1 frame per second in parking mode, saving memory card space by compressing every 15 minutes of video into just 1 minute. And if you purchase the 4G LTE hardwire kit to use with your battery pack, you'll have uninterrupted communication with your vehicle from any location. When your car is parked, it will send instant notifications to your phone in the event of a collision or any suspicious activity. Plus, you can remotely view your car's surroundings when it's parked and when someone else is driving it. And if you would like to extend the protection of your vehicle to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, we're going to have more information on the 70Mi dashcam battery pack for you. All you have to do is check the description box below. It's going to have all the information that you need, and it will even have a link to take you to their website so you can go ahead and get one of these on your own. I feel so much better now knowing that this old car, my lovely 98 Mercedes, is protected every second of every day. It makes me happier. I sleep better. And my wallet is going to be happier should something happen, because it's going to give me the proof that I need to prove that someone else was at fault if my car gets messed with. Okay, so please go check the link, go check this out, and sleep as good as I do these days. That's the best way I could put it. All right. Thank you very much to everybody at 70Mi for sending these to me. And thank you for watching these review videos. I really have so much fun putting these things together, testing out the products, and then passing along the good ones to you, because some of them I don't do. Yeah, I really don't. If the product is not worthy of what it claims, then we don't do the review video. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching these. We're back with more very, very soon. Okay? Bye-bye.